Well, my film crew is not worth a crap. I was just going to warn you of that today because we're in the Nissan and I guess we're taking it because the Jeep's broke down on the side of the road with a bad fuel pump. It's only 115 or 117 degrees. It's hotter than Hades. It's just miserable. You could cook eggs on the pavement. Did I say egg or egg? Either way, we're headed up to Sand Hollow. Got a Razor that's stuck, and we'll probably be stuck in the Nissan and have to call somebody to help us and walk down and get the Nodwell. Who knows where the heck we're gonna end up today, but we got the old trusty Nissan out, the farm truck. So we'll take you along for the ride. We're gonna take old trusty up, see if we can get stuck on the sand dunes. All we gotta do is pull a Razor out, so hopefully we'll be all right. That instead of the... Okay.
Watch out for the dog.
She's fine.
This is an 8,000 pound tow.
Yeah, the problem with those is I can't do like a kinetic recovery with them.
Oh, okay.
I mean, they got a little give, but I'm afraid I'll just break it. But I use these ropes.
Oh, yeah. Those are
So we literally...
They're a factor. They call them factor 55, but they've got like 35% stretch in it.
Yeah. Kenny.
Kenny, Casey.
Nice to meet you.
You got mad, right? My fuel pump is toast.
Oh, in the Jeep?
Yeah, it just puttered out on the way here.
Hallelujah. Wow. That was good and stuff. I thought for sure I was in trouble. Good thing you was able to move a little bit, but then I got a little bit. Oh, man.
God will. I stuck under that. He's stuck, Dad.
Grab a hold. 1, 2, 3, go.
Woo!
Are you alright?
Not telling Mom. That's us. We need to go down the zip line. We're not telling Mom. And then we pick it back and we're like, oh, Mom's gonna see. Oh, no, Mom's gonna kill us. And then you come around, we're like, Dad's gonna kill us. You can see there's a truck stuck right there. Right there. White Ford. Let's go get him. But we only got the little truck and the Nodwell. I guess it's the Nodwell.
It's so soft.
Got us.
You think we're gonna get stuck on?
I don't know.
Gonna be able to make it?
I just blew the boot off the turbo.
Oh, that ain't no good. I think seen it start smoking.
Yeah, it's just that boot that goes down the inlet just to the turbo. Yeah. So it lets some air out. Hopefully we can just milk it out.
Yeah. All right. If not, I got my Nodwell. They're only going to be here for a few minutes. So.
Yeah, we've got a strap too.
Okay.
So.
All right. Great. I just want to make before we roared out that we got out.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you.